In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn long-form videos into shorts using the power of AI. This is by far the best AI software I've come across. Check it out right now. So this is what you need to use to change long-form YouTube videos into shorts. Basically, you can go to YouTube, take any video. I recommend it's your original video, but you can take any video. For example, Eminem Houdini. We're going to take this link. We're going to copy this link. And you can go to Opus and you can paste this in here, and within one click it's going to move it into shorts. Now remember, here you can change the presets, you can add caption without clipping, and you can change the preferred clip length as well as topic filter by keywords. Once you hit this button, it's going to tell you that you can exit out of the tab and they'll email you a notification. You'll get a notification just like this. You're going to click this right here. It's going to take you to the shorts. In this case, I'm already in it. Opus recently changed their editor, so let me just show you real quick what the editor looks like. Make sure to make these changes before you post your shorts, otherwise you won't get as many views. I learned the hard way. That's why you're watching me. The editor is going to load, and the first thing is you're going to hit clip layout settings and you're going to uncheck fit. This is going to make it full screen.
BYD entered the US market.
Now another thing you want to hit is clean. This will remove pauses and clean up the video so it's more succinct and to the point. Just hit that. If you want to generate AI B-roll, it'll add some AI images into the video to make it more interesting. However, I haven't fully tested it and don't think it'll make a difference in view generation. However, I do think it'd be worth to test maybe 10-20 videos, compare them to another 20 videos that you didn't do AI B-roll, and see if it does actually make an impact. If you smash that like button and subscribe, I will do the test for you. Here you can change the captions. Caption line per page, I usually do 1, and I like bounce. I haven't really messed with this. You could do a trial and error and see what generates more views. Same with colors, font size, font stroke, font shadows. It has an AI keywords highlighter, so you can see it moving right there,
14% of the electric
bouncing around like that. You can add your logo, which I don't do, and you can also add AI emojis, which I don't do. Once you're done with that, you're just going to hit save changes. When you hit save changes, it's going to show you how long it's going to take for the video to do that. So in the meantime, I just keep going here and I keep editing them, so by the time I'm done, all of them are ready to go to be downloaded. Same thing here. I'm just going to hit uncheck fit and I'm going to clean it. And I'm going to hit save changes. Now this is it. This is my rapid pace approach to this. Usually it gives you anywhere from 10 to 14 shorts per video, which is very nice, and it just saves you a whole lot of time from generating your own shorts. Now for music videos, I don't recommend doing this, but if you have a podcast or education channel or any of those, this will make your short process much quicker and efficient. There is a pricing for this. It's only $19 a month, but for the amount of shorts you're able to generate, it's absolutely worth it. So make sure you head to the link in the description and you get yourself a subscription here and try it out yourself for your long form YouTube videos, because it'll save you so much time and effort. So you have more time to do things you love than editing shorts all day. As you can see, in this case it made almost 14 videos. I'm just going to hit clean, uncheck fit, save changes, boom. Same thing here, edit, clip, uncheck fit, clean, save changes. Now once you do this and you complete it, all you have to do is download the videos right here. So you just hit this button and it'll download all your videos. It's that simple. And that's it, guys. Let me just show you the last part of how I take these videos and upload them into shorts extremely quickly, which makes this process even easier. Let me show you real quick. Hit download, 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 download. Alright, so that's now going to be popping up here in the downloads. These are all of our videos. Okay, all we have to do is go to our YouTube channel. You're going to hit create, upload videos. And I'm just going to take these videos and drag them here. Now make sure you do select for preferred length 60 seconds or less for YouTube Shorts, otherwise it won't consider it a short. It's just the way it is. Once this loads, you can just simply edit and schedule it. You see how I schedule all my shorts? It's super simple. So once this loads, let me just show you how I schedule my shorts. And then I take these, I airdrop it to my iPhone, and I put it on Instagram Reels and TikTok. So this makes content creation very simple. You start with a long form YouTube video, you throw it into Opus, and now you have shorts for TikTok and Instagram Reels. And this is the best, fastest workflow I've ever come across. I haven't found anything better than Opus. I've tried a bunch of other softwares. So make sure you hit that description link and get yourself Opus for $19 a month. It's a no-brainer. Once the uploads are completed, I like to hit filter, visibility, draft. I'm going to hit apply. Here are all my drafts right here. Now another thing is, my last one is scheduled for June 6th at 3 p.m. I like to post 5 times a day. So I'm going to go back to draft, apply. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to go right here. It already gives you the title. I don't like subtitles because I have captions. Now, another thing is you can put a related video to your YouTube. So what I like to do is I'm going to go back to this. I'm going to hit view clips. And here up at the top, it will show you the YouTube video you used to make the shorts. I'm going to take this title. I'm going to double click here. It's going to find the video I'm making it, and this way they can actually watch the original video from the short, which is very convenient. I'm going to hit public, and I'm going to do June 6th at let's say 9 p.m. The last one was 6 p.m. Boom. So there you go, and that's find your own frequency for scheduling them. So edit, add related video, paste the title, get rid of subtitles, next, and I'm going to do June 7th at 9 a.m. Smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.